I use 6 millimeters hook and 6 millimeters yarn. You can use any hook and any yarn in different projects. You can use different hook and yarn size. Make a magic circle, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn. In here, continue like this. Make 1, 2 chains. I make 2 chains. Yarn over, go to this ring, this magic circle. Stitch first round in this ring. Pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. I show with double crochet stitches. You can make triangle motifs with single crochet stitches, half double crochet. In here I show by double crochet. I make 1 double crochet, go to this ring, pull up yarn, pull through, make 2 double crochet. In here we have 2 double crochet. With these chains we have 1, 2, 3 stitches in total. Make 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, pull through, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Make 1, 2, 3 chains, go to magic circle, high tail of yarn under stitches, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. I join this corner like this. Make 1 chain, yarn over, go to top of these chains, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, and make, I show corner. Continue, make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to this corner, 1 double crochet, go to same corner, 2 double crochet. Now we have 1, 2, 3 stitches in total. We have 3 stitches in here. Go to top of these stitches, take these yarns on your hook, 1, go to next stitch, 1, go to next stitch, 1, go to corner, 1, 2, 3. Make 1, 2, 3 chains, go to same corner, 1, 1, go to top of this stitch, go to corner, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, go to corner, 1, 2, 3, go to top of these stitches, 1, 2, 3. Go to this first corner. We made half of this corner, complete this corner. 1, 2, 3. Make one chain, yarn over, go to top of first chains, take these yarns on your hook, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, and complete. And you can make more rows like this. 3 stitches in here, go to top of this stitches, make 1 double crochet in every stitch, go to corners and make corners same as before rows. 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 3 double crochet, and go to top of this stitch, make 1 double crochet.